Hi everybody, I want to show you the town where near that I live. It's Beaugé. That's the law hall. And here is the castle. And the village. Okay, here we have the castle a little bit more nearly. It's a nice piece. I'm gonna look if I can go inside. Okay, that's the inside. It's the Office of Tourism. Gotta go this way. There you have the history of the town. All the important persons who come from here or have lived here. And here, this you must see. That's the town. That's Beaugé. Beaugé en Anjou. You have something more. Little gallery. Hi. Oh, that's a nice piece. Oh yeah, it's a real one. It's also typical from here. I can see dead people. Dead people. Okay, I think that's it. Go back outside. Merci mesdames, au revoir. Oh, look at this. Voilà, belle surprise. absolute surprise. I don't know what happened. Why they are all here. Excusez-moi madame, bonjour. C'est quoi le rassemblement?
Alors on est 3 clubs de motards cheminots.
Ah.
Il y a un club de Nice, un club du Périgord et un club de Rennes. Et tous les ans on fait une journée interclub.
Ah nickel.
Voilà.
Bah,
Là,
bienvenue à Baugé.
On est 63 je crois et 45-46 motos.
Ah ouais,
Donc voilà.
sympa.
Ouais, ça va.
Vraiment sympa.
Donc, on loge à Châteauneuf sur Loire.
Ah
puis,
ouais.
Là on arrive d'Azel Rideau. Là.
Ah
Tous
d'accord.
les
Ouais.
jours on fait un circuit.
Un petit circuit. Vous êtes déjà passé au Lude?
Non.
Le Lude,
Non.
je vous le conseille.
Ah ouais,
Ah ouais, il y a un super beau château là-bas.
d'accord.
Ah ouais, avec un super beau jardin. Après pour garer les motos, ça va être peut-être un peu plus compliqué.
Ouais, puis là on va rentrer
Mais bon.
là, parce qu'il est
Ah
déjà
ouais.
pas trop de bonheur. Hein.
Bon, bah, mais bonne route et bon courage. Merci à vous. Okay, you have here it. It's 3 biker clubs from the south of France, and cheminot. That's mean they are in the train travel. They all work by the trains and all this. Really, really nice. Okay, back to my car. To my car, not my bike. Ah, not my car. Look at this. That's my car. See you.